Welcome all to annual day celebrations of Srinidhi Global School, RC Puram. It gives me immense pride to present the annual report 2025-26 of Srinidhi Global School, RC Puram. A year filled with growth, innovation, learning, and joyful achievements. Dr. Nallapati Venkateshwar Rao Garu, Chairman, Srinidhi Group of Schools, a visionary, leader and the guiding light of Srinidhi, Dr. N. Venkateshwar Rao Garu has dedicated his life to transforming education. With his forward-thinking approach, he has built an ecosystem where children are encouraged to learn with curiosity, discipline, and confidence. His commitment to excellence and value-based education continues to inspire every student, teacher, and institution under the Srinidhi banner. Srimati Nallapati Rajeshwari Garu, President, Srinidhi Group of Schools, a pillar of strength and compassion, Rajeshwari Garu plays a key role in nurturing the cultural and ethical foundation of the school. Her constant focus on student well-being, character development, and holistic growth helps create a warm and positive learning atmosphere across all branches. Mr. Nallapati Sainath Naidu Sir, Director, Srinidhi Group of Schools, a dynamic and innovative educational leader, Sainath Naidu Sir has been instrumental in modernizing school operations, introducing new-age learning practices, and strengthening academic excellence. His dedication to discipline, student engagement, and overall school development has elevated Srinidhi into one of the most trusted educational groups. With a strong vision and unwavering dedication, what began as a single school has now grown into a prestigious network of 13 branches, including Padma Nagar, Manikya Nagar, Madina Guda, Biram Guda, Khaja Guda, Raghvendra Colony, Gajula Ramaram, Pragati Nagar, Gachibowli, Kondapur, Kotha Kota. Srinidhi Global Schools focus on holistic development, academics, communication, values, sports, arts, and life skills. Our learning system encourages critical thinking, hands-on experiences, creativity, and strong moral grounding, ensuring every child grows confidently. This academic year was filled with vibrant events, learning opportunities, and joyful moments that help children grow in knowledge, confidence, and character. Assembly. Regular school assemblies promoted discipline, confidence, and value-based learning among students. Children participated through prayers, thoughts, news reading, and presentations. The assembly set a positive and purposeful tone for each school day. Bathukamma celebrations. Bathukamma celebrations highlighted the rich cultural heritage of Telangana through colorful floral arrangements and traditional activities. Students learned the significance of the festival while participating with enthusiasm and joy. The celebration strengthened cultural pride and community bonding. Bonalu celebrations. Bonalu celebrations introduced students to the rich cultural heritage of Telangana. Traditional attire, dances, and festive decorations brought the campus alive. Children learned the significance of the festival while enjoying cultural expression and community bonding. Calyx Home Activities. Calyx Home Activities encouraged students to learn through hands-on tasks completed at home with family involvement. These activities promoted creativity, responsibility, and independent thinking. They also strengthened parent-child engagement in the learning process. Children's Day. Children's Day was celebrated with fun-filled activities, games, and special programs. Students enjoyed performances and surprises that made them feel valued and appreciated. The day honored the joy, innocence, and creativity of every child. Dance classes. Dance classes provided students with a platform to express creativity and rhythm. Regular practice improved coordination, confidence, and stage presence. Students showcased their talent through various cultural and contemporary dance forms. Green Day. Green Day activities focused on environmental awareness and nature appreciation. Students participated in crafts, planting, and theme-based learning. The event encouraged responsibility towards protecting the environment. Independence Day. Independence Day was celebrated with patriotic pride through flag hoisting, speeches, songs, and dances. Students learned about freedom fighters and the value of unity and responsibility. The event instilled love and respect for the nation. Krishnastami. Krishnastami was celebrated with devotion and enthusiasm through cultural performances. Students dressed as Lord Krishna and Radha, bringing traditions alive. The event blended moral learning with creativity and confidence. Kung Fu and Karate classes and achievements. Students received structured training in Kung Fu and Karate, building discipline and self-confidence. Many students participated in competitions and won prizes at various levels. These martial arts sessions promoted fitness, focus, and perseverance. Lucida Handwriting Session. Lucida handwriting sessions focused on improving letter formation, neatness, and writing speed. Students practiced structured techniques under guided instruction. The sessions helped enhance clarity, confidence, and presentation skills. National Sports Day. National Sports Day was celebrated with various athletic and fitness activities. Students participated enthusiastically, learning teamwork and sportsmanship. The event emphasized the importance of physical fitness and healthy competition. Relationships through trips and activities. Through school trips and collaborative activities, students developed strong interpersonal relationships. They learned cooperation, empathy, and teamwork beyond classroom learning. These experiences helped build a positive and inclusive school environment. Science Fair. The Science Fair provided a platform for students to showcase experiments and innovative ideas. Participants explained scientific concepts through models and demonstrations. STEM activity. STEM activities integrated science, technology, engineering, and mathematics through hands-on learning. Students engaged in problem-solving, critical thinking, and innovation-based tasks. These activities nurtured analytical skills and future-ready learning.